Warwick Brussels, Grand Place. 5 stars. Stay in the heart of Brussels. This luxurious hotel in the heart of Brussels is a 2-minute walk from the Grand Place and Brussels Central Station. It features free access to the fitness center and sauna. A brand newly installed air conditioning system is now fully operational for your satisfaction and comfort. Perfect location next to Central Station and Grand Place. Staff very nice and friendly. Follow the link in the description to find out the price of accommodation on the most reliable hotel portal in the world. Great location, nice staff, comfy room. Very comfy bed, perfect location, friendly helpful staff. Follow the link in the description of this video. You will find the hotel rating, the best price and excellent customer service. Our team did a lot of work to create this video. Press likes and subscribe to our channel.